I'm a real estate investor in El Paso, have been for many years, but I haven't done anything in the downtown market. And with all the activity going down here, I was very intrigued with everything going on, and I just wanted to get involved and try to make a positive impact. I purchased the JCPenney building about 6 months ago. We started researching what was potentially hiding behind the facade that was currently on the building, started poking holes in the building and looking through and discovered that the windows were still there intact as they were from the original building, much of the molding. The bricks were visible from the spots that we opened up. From there we decided that it was a good risk to go ahead and move forward on removing the facade and really discovering what's underneath. We're doing feasibility studies right now for putting lofts potentially up on the second story. We're trying to look at the possibility of adding some parking underneath the building and then opening the main floor for commercial rentals. JCPenney was the one that erected the building, the original company that built the building, occupied it for almost 100 years, and so I think it's fitting that we keep that name. And that's what most people in the community know this building as the JCPenney building, and I'm really surprised when I tell people in this community that we're restoring the JCPenney building. Many people, the majority of the people I tell, have stories of coming to the JCPenney when they were younger.